How to fix Google Chrome page not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome page not loading on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again, and here we'll find Google Chrome. Click on it and then click here, this one for stop, and then go to permissions and enable storage, and then go to data usage and enable background data. Maybe you'll find it like that. Just enable it, and then just the last one, go to storage, clear cache. Now just try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.